Want to know the missing piece to skyrocketing your email results? Personalization. What's up? My name is Ace with MailerLite. Let's face it, our inboxes are overflowing with generic emails. You know, the ones, dear valued customer, followed by a sales pitch that feels about as personal as a cold call. Yeah. We've all seen it. But what if your emails could be different? What if they felt like a conversation with a friend? Someone who actually knows you and your needs. That is actually the power of email personalization. Personalization goes beyond just slapping somebody's name in the subject line. It's about crafting a unique email experience for each individual recipient. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by a salesperson who recognizes you, remembers your past purchases, and suggests items you might be genuinely interested in. That's the feeling you want to evoke with each and every one of your emails. This can involve using data like purchase history, did they buy a fitness tracker, recommend workout apparel or healthy recipe ideas, browsing behavior, did they spend time looking at a specific type of camera lens, highlight its features, and showcase stunning photography captured with that lens. Demographics, age, location, interest. Use this to tailor the tone and the content of your message. By leveraging this information, you can create emails that are genuinely interesting, helpful, and also feel like they were written specifically for that individual. Now, you might be thinking, why invest the extra effort in personalization? Well, the benefits translate directly to the bottom line of your business. Increased open rates. People are bombarded with emails. A personalized subject line and message that speaks directly to their interest is much more likely to grab their attention and get them to open your email. Studies show personalized emails can boost open rates by up to 50%, significantly increasing the reach of your campaigns. Higher click-through rates. Generic emails often contain a one-size-fits-all message that honestly typically doesn't resonate with everyone. And when your content is relevant and speaks to that specific need or interest, people are more likely to click on your call to action, whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, or simply downloading a helpful guide. Improved brand loyalty. Personalization shows you care about your customers as individuals, not just numbers on a spreadsheet. When customers feel valued and understood, they're more likely to develop trust and loyalty towards your brand, leading to repeat business and positive word of mouth recommendations. Let's look at some real life examples of how personalization can be used to craft email campaigns that resonate and, more importantly, convert. Instead of a generic welcome aboard, try segmenting your subscribers right from the start. On your sign-up page, allow users to select their interest groups. Doing it this way, you can use their choices along with the data from past purchases, browsing behavior, to customize your welcome emails from there. Also, birthday emails. A generic birthday email might go unnoticed, but a personalized email offering a special discount or even just a heartfelt birthday wish, it doesn't always have to be something about selling. Sometimes these simple things go a long way for your subscribers. Abandoned cart emails. We've all added things to our online shopping carts and then gotten distracted. A personalized abandoned cart email reminding them about the items they left behind, along with the special incentive like free shipping or a limited time discount, can nudge them to complete that purchase. These are just a few ideas. Honestly, the possibilities are really endless here. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how do I actually do this? It's actually easier than you think. Here are some steps to get you started on your personalization journey. Invest in an email marketing tool. This goes without saying. Many email marketing platforms offer built-in features that allow you to segment your audience and personalize your emails, like MailerLite, for example. These tools can be a game changer, especially for businesses sending out a high volume of emails. Segment your audience. Dividing your email list into groups based on shared characteristics like demographics, purchase history, or interest. This allows you to tailor your message to resonate with each segment. Collect customer data. This is also really important. Use website forums, surveys, and track purchase history to gather valuable information about your customers. Remember though, data privacy is super important, so be transparent about how you use it. In MailerLite, you can easily pull this data and add it into your emails in bulk using different variables. For example, inserting this text tag here into your campaign will put each subscriber's name into that specific spot, so each subscriber sees their own name when they receive it. If you have an e-commerce integration with MailerLite, you can take advantage of e-commerce automations that help you segment your subscribers based on their purchases and automatically send out emails to suggest a personalized shopping experience. Now, earlier I did mention data collection. While personalization is powerful, it's important to strike a balance here. You gotta be transparent. This is especially important for our friends in the European Union, as you'll need to make sure you comply with the GDPR. So just be upfront about how you use the data and, of course, give them control over their stuff. It's all about building trust, right? And that is key. Focus on value. Personalization should be helpful, not creepy. Don't use data in ways that make customers feel uncomfortable. It goes without saying, but keep it in mind. Also, start small. Don't overwhelm people with overly specific information. Gradually build personalization as you learn more about your audience. Remember, it is about building relationships, not becoming Big Brother. In today's digital age, customers crave genuine connection. By embracing email personalization, you can break through the noise, build stronger relationships with your audience, and ultimately achieve your marketing goals. So ditch the generic emails and start crafting personalized experiences that convert. Remember, a little bit of me can go a long way in today's marketing landscape. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.